The human skin is full of cells called fibroblasts, which produce growth factors. These growth factors work to rejuvenate and restore the skin. As we age, the numbers of fibroblasts drastically decrease, resulting in less growth factor production. The decrease in growth factor production, along with damage caused by UV light, pollution and toxins, causes the skin to wrinkle, lose elasticity and pigment. AQ Skin Solutions was developed to help fight against aging skin and wrinkles. The AQ Skin Solutions serum contains a concentrated amount of pure natural growth factors. When applied to the skin, growth factors nourish and directly heal the epidermis. The infusion of the fibroblast growth factors inside the skin diminishes wrinkles and aids in the rejuvenation of the epidermis, which may result in the appearance of more youthful, luminous skin. AQ Skin Solutions, where science meets skincare.